Hey there. I am getting ready to send this book out into the world in less than a month. So I thought I would jump on here and every week share some sneak previews from the book with you. Sound good? Today I want to show you the very first chapter of the book. So this is my book. This is me. This is my garden. You guys picture it? This is what my garden's going to look like in, I don't know, 4 or 5 months. The very first chapter of the book is super important. The book is divided into 2 sections. In the first section, we talk about all of the details of setting up your kitchen garden, just the way I've done for all my clients and how I do for all my own gardens. Do you guys recognize this picture? See it? Look familiar? So in the very first section, we have 4 chapters, and the very first chapter is called Sight. So throughout this whole chapter, I try to help you, or I don't just try, I help you understand where you want to put your own kitchen garden. We talk through not only where you want to put it, but how you want to lay it out, how you want to design it. And I introduce you to a lot of the gardens I've designed for Rooted Garden in Houston. We show off a bunch of our gardens, and then I talk through the different layouts and setups you can use in your own kitchen garden. This is a super fun chapter, super important, and it's going to give you this great vision for what's possible in your own space. So that's a sneak preview of chapter number 1, and there's 7 more chapters to go. Listen, pre-orders are super duper important. At least that's what they tell me in the book industry. And we are up over 400 pre-orders already on Amazon. So if you are watching and you haven't ordered yet, I would absolutely love it if you would do so. So you can go anywhere you want to order your book, order it now, and email me the receipt at hello, H-E-L-L-O, at gardenary.com. Email me your receipt and I will sign you up for a free mini gardening class with me right here in this garden. So it's called Before You Begin, and it's 5 videos that walks you through all the important questions you should ask yourself before you start your garden this year. So a lot of times we just rush out to the plant store, buy some plants, and then we don't know what to do. So this free course is going to help you not make that mistake and make a lot of decisions and prioritize before you set up your kitchen garden. So the whole idea behind my book is to start a kitchen garden revival, and I don't think it could be any more important than it is right now. In my book, kitchen gardens are the new victory gardens. Over 100 years ago, our people set up victory gardens all over the country to help survive during a time of war and hardship, and I think now is a great time for all of us to set up kitchen gardens to take care of ourselves, to take care of our communities, and to take care of our world. I think I'm gonna cry. Not really. Okay. So please join me in the Kitchen Garden Revival. Pre-order your book. Let me know when you do. You can comment below, and please send me an email at hello@gardenary.com, and I will send you a free mini course on gardening. Thanks so much for watching and bringing back the kitchen garden with me. I love you for it. Bye.